Hey y'all, it's Bitty Boo, aka Dana. And I realize I'm still in the same clothes, but I'm making 3 videos in one night. So, we're going to take my little, or 3 videos in one day. So we're going to take my little teapot here that I got from the garage sale. We're going to turn it into a lamp. So, I'm going to be using one of these little lights that I have. Got my wire cutters. So what I want to do, evidently knock the lid off, is I'm going to take the bottom, which is right here. I'm going to cut a little hole. I just want it big enough for the plug to come through. Actually, yeah. And I'm going to take the wires that are sticking out that will poke you or possibly harm my cord and tuck them in. And it leaves me, maybe you can see that hole right here. So now, let's take our lamp. I am going to leave that fuse on there, that way it doesn't get lost. I'm going to take my cord and fish it through there. Okay. Put that in there. That way it's not flopping around like a wild child. I'm going to pull my cord through the hole. Well, I said I was. There we go. Now I want to place my lamp in the center the best I can. Right there will work. And I'm not sure if be still stinking on it, no hell. I'm going to see if that plug will fit through one of those. It may take some finagling to get it through there, but if it will set a lot flatter. I don't think it's going to do it. Let me turn it around here. Well, I'm going to have to do some more cutting, y'all. Boy, I really don't want to cut that off of there. But well, it's a stout little wire right there. So all I did was cut one of these little wires right here to where I could fit that cord through there. And it's still going to be temperamental. But it'll be alright. It'll be alright. Because I really want this as a lamp. And I'm just going to be able to bend that wire kind of back in place where it goes. None will be the wires though that I cut it. Now, I'm going to have to go one more wire to get that to set right. There. And there. Sorry it's taking so long, y'all. I'm kind of picky sometimes. That'll work. We got that now. And this is kind of like a nightlight. This bulb does not get hot. So since it doesn't get hot, I am going to take some moss and put around it. This is one of those LED bulbs. There we go. I painted more eggs. So we're going to have some eggs in there. No rhyme or reason. I'm just tossing them in there. Where they land is where they land. I'll probably be making some more. Y'all ready to see what we got here? I'm kind of ready. I hope it turns out pretty. Here's my new little lamp. I do want to get me some ribbon and stuff and put on the top, fix me a bow, and probably some florals. That's so far. That's what I got. That's how I made my lamp, y'all. I hope you enjoy. I love you, each and every one. And y'all remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Love you.